John gets $57 per hour for the regular work, and he gets $114 per hour for the overtime work. That means the twice of 57 is 114, so he is getting paid twice for the overtime work. Now let's see what does the question say. He altogether works for 172 hours. That means it's regular hour plus overtime work hours is equal to 172. For regular hours, his income should be 57 multiplied by the number of regular hours, and for overtime hours, his income should be 114 multiplied by the overtime hours. But since we already know that the overtime hours that he is working for is 172 minus hour, because we can calculate it from the first equation, 172 minus the regular hour, so we can say 114 multiplied by 172 minus r. And the question also says his overtime hours income from his overtime hours is 15% of his income from regular hours. So this overtime hours income is equal to 15% of his regular income. So here we have the equation from the language of the question, which we have to simplify. Let's quickly simplify this equation. 57 cancels this 114 2 times, 5 divides it 3 times, 5 divides it 20 times, so we have 3r is equal to 40 multiplied by 172 minus r. 40 becomes 2 multiplied by 20. So we have 3r is equal to 172 times 40 minus 40r. So we have 43r is equal to 172 times 40, and this gives us r is equal to 172 multiplied by 40 divided by 43. Now 43 when done 4 times divides 172. So now you must see the method of not multiplying the numbers beforehand, because I left it for the final calculation, and this gives me the regular number of hours that he worked was equal to 160 hours, and this also gives me that he worked overtime 172 minus 160 is equal to 12 hours. And let me read the question once again. For how many hours did he work overtime? So the answer is C option. He worked 12 hours overtime. Thank you so much for watching this video.